Hi there, I'm Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I am working in my studio and I'm going to be doing a bit of a purge video. I need a purge session. I have got this great big basket of Cocoa Daisy kits. When my kits come, I will show you. I place them into this container and this is my July kit. Everything gets put in here, and then when my next kit comes, I pop it into a 12 by 12 plastic scrapbooking bag and they go into this basket. I've got the last three next to my desk and these all go beyond that. There's quite a lot of them. I've got to the stage now where I can no longer fit any more in this basket, so I do need to go through. I'm going to go through each bag. I'm going to make some piles. I think that's the best way. That's the best way I usually do it. I make piles of paper I want to keep, paper I'm going to purge, and then things like flair, embellishments, alphabet stickers, they all go into piles as well. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I thought you might like to see what I end up with. It's almost like Christmas sometimes, or like a birthday. You go through these bags and you completely forget that you've got things, and it's really fun finding them. So let's see what we're going to find today. So some of the bits and pieces that I've got are literally scraps where I've just cut out bits and pieces. I've got a recycling bin down below where I'm just popping it in, and then I'm just putting everything into categories. I'm going to be doing a giveaway of some things, so I've got a pile, and then I've got like a pile of enamel dots, a pile of alphas. That's my donate pile. My next door neighbour is a school teacher, so she's always very grateful. I've then got papers I'm keeping. I've got the 6x4 journal cards, 6x6 papers, and the smaller journal cards, and then embellishments, glassine envelopes, and on the chair I'm keeping cardstock and the 12x12 bags. So I think I've done as much of the Cocoa Daisy kits as I'm going to do. There's certainly a lot more space in this basket now, and this is just Simple Stories packages. So I've got my pattern paper I'm keeping, cardstock, I've got a load of alphabet stickers. I found this really cool pocket for my planner which I was looking for before. This is going to be a giveaway pile, so there will be a giveaway. I've got like the puffy sticker type things. I've got some embellishments, die cuts, a whole load of cotton bags, die cut cards, the journal cards, stickers, glassine envelopes, and this pile now, I was just on the phone to my sister and my little niece is running low on scrapbooking supplies, so I'm going to bag all this up, give to her, and then what she does, she then goes through, takes out what she wants, and the rest she takes to school to share with her classroom, so they have like a collage bag in the class. So that's what I'm going to do. I feel like I've made really good progress. I've now got to find homes for everything. So I reuse all the 12x12 plastic bags as the new Cocoa Daisy kits come through. I will reuse these and bag them back up again. These are the alphabet stickers that I'm going to keep, and I'm going to pop those. I've put the pattern paper I'm going to keep in the front there, and I'll put the stickers in there as well. I've got a 12x12 divider that I divide into colours. I'm going to go and put the chipboard, I keep calling it chipboard, the cardstock in there. That's where I keep all my 12x12 cardstock. So it's nice and tidy at the side of my desk. I've also got baskets up here again at the side of my desk for things like stickers, planner pieces and things like that. So I'm going to grab my sticker basket. So this is where I keep my stickers. In this basket here I keep things like doilies, used glassine envelopes, and I'm also going to put my puffy stickers and my mind's gone blank, these as well. That's where they all go. Enamel dots, that's the word. And that little basket lives in there. I keep this little tote for planner accessories. I've got post-its, notepads, all kinds of things. I've got a divider there, so I'm going to put this notepad and also the cute pocket that I was really pleased to find. Something that I really like for the smaller pieces to organise are these drawer organisers. I've bought mine on eBay and I think they're about £1. They're really, really cheap. They do come from China, so they do take a good sort of 3 to 4 weeks to come, but I really, really like them, and I've got a lot of these now. They sit nicely in the drawers and you've got lots of space to keep things organised. In this particular drawer I've got a couple of glass dishes where I've got odds and ends and wooden pieces, and then I've got the new one that I've just popped in here. This is all wooden pieces in that one, and these are all die cuts. I've got words, I've got larger pieces, I've got little like speech bubbles and tabs. I've got smaller tabs, and then I've got what I class as like pictures. So I'm going to now fill up these with what's left over from my kits that I've organised today. I also keep a little glass dish for flair, so I've popped the spare ones in there. My spare 6x4 sheets, my journal cards, I'm actually going to pop in there. They're too large for these containers, so that can live in there. Got a whole load of these cotton Cocoa Daisy bags that I'm going to keep, and I'm going to pop those in my stationery cupboard. The little 6x4 cards will now fit nicely in my new container like that. I've also placed the acrylic words in the back there as well, and that closes nicely. And that just leaves this bundle here. There's a right old mishmash from a few papers, die cuts, stickers, flair, crocheted flowers, all sorts of things. Some things are partially used. I've got sticker sheets, but some of them, like here, I've taken one off already. You've got journal cards. There's all sorts of things here. So I'm going to do a giveaway, and that little bundle I will give to one of you. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and leave a comment below telling me what your favorite creative product or material is. What kind of thing do you like creating with the most? Leave a comment below and I will pick a winner in 2 weeks time. 2 weeks from today there'll be a winner picked, and then I will do a video after that to announce the winner. So please do that, and I'm nearly finished here now. So the whole work area behind me is now tidy, and I've got the giveaway items. I've popped in the canvas bags, the Cocoa Daisy canvas bags, so they are ready to send to one of you. Thank you for watching me today. It's been so nice to go through and feel organised and see exactly what I've got in my stash. Those bags go back months and months and months and months, so it's so good to go through and have a proper tidy up and feel organised. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!